It has unfortunately been another stormy day around the country. 5 fatalities reported early Wednesday morning from a storm in southeastern Missouri, and multiple tornadoes again up that way. In the south, though, it's been a different story. There's been some wind damage in parts of Tennessee, some hail in Mississippi. But as those storms are moving into West Alabama, they are losing some steam pretty significantly. And as I record this at 5:45 on Wednesday evening, we still think the greater risk of any storms at all is mainly northwest of Birmingham and Tuscaloosa and Aniana through Cullman, Jasper, Arley, Hamilton, Fayette, and then toward Russellville and Florence, Decatur, Athens, Huntsville through the evening into early Thursday morning. I don't even think it's a limited tornado risk. It's practically no tornado risk, but there's always that very, very small chance that something could happen that's a bit out of order. So here's what the forecast modeling is looking like through the evening. We get these isolated showers and storms. Not much is happening around Birmingham, but throughout the afternoon, we noticed that the instability was going sky high. Well, tonight, it starts to drop off. By 11 p.m., we just don't have a whole lot of fuel left for big thunderstorms. There may be enough left for some lightning now and then. And then you get this secondary wave developing early in the morning, and you notice that we've got some significant cape here across parts of West Alabama through Tuscaloosa County, through Walker County, and there's a sharp boundary there. There will be some thunderstorms feeding off this, and one or two of them could be fairly strong, and we're still talking mainly west of the Birmingham area through the very first part of Thursday morning. Then those fizzle out, and because the wind starts to shift around toward the north, see how we got this northeast wind here? This is rain-cooled air across north and west Alabama. We got this boundary here near Alexander City and Clanton. There's a chance that as this boundary just kind of sits around throughout the afternoon, that some new thunderstorms may develop along it. Now, will this be in Chilton, Coosa, Talladega, Tallapoosa, or will it be St. Clair, Jefferson, Tuscaloosa? At this point, we don't really know. And because of that, we've got maybe a distance of about 40 or 50 miles here where that boundary could be set up and could affect quite a few folks with a few isolated showers and thunderstorms, and then leave others wondering, well, hey, I thought you said that today was an impact day. It was going to rain, and it didn't. Well, that's the situation we find ourselves in. Thursday evening, things start to quiet down a little bit, and then we'll go into Friday and Saturday with some what appears to be some pretty substantial rain. Storms are mainly to the northwest of the Birmingham area tonight into tomorrow morning. The high around 78 degrees, but that's not going to be the same for everybody. Thursday, we get heavy thunderstorms. Most of that action is going to be early in the morning and then a few spotty ones in the afternoon. But look at the discrepancy in temperature here. We go from 50s, potentially, around Florence, to 70s in Cullman, to near 80 around Clanton and Sylacauga. And by the way, we set a new record high in Anniston on Wednesday, the high at 88. Had a couple of reports of 90s in Shelby County and south of there, but no official records broken there. Saturday, as well as Friday, Good Friday, Saturday, looks pretty wet. I think any outdoor plans you had on Friday and early Saturday are not going to work out in your favor. But Easter Sunday, there's a good chance that the rain is gone other than some isolated spotty showers here and there. And those would mainly be southeast Alexander City, Clanton, Rockford, Montgomery, Auburn, Dadeville. From Birmingham northwest, it does look drier, and I think we'll at least make it to the 60s on Sunday afternoon. And then toward Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, we'll start warming up as this cool air wedge starts to move away from us.